안녕하세요.
Welcome to our Korean language lesson. Today, we're going to learn a fun and interesting term,
딸바보.
If you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Korean lessons. Let's get started.
딸바보.
Is a Korean term that combines
딸,
which means daughter and
바보.
which means fool or silly. It is used to describe a father who is extremely devoted, caring, and sometimes overly indulgent towards his daughter. In English, it can be translated as doting father or daughter fool. Now let's practice the pronunciation. Repeat after me.
딸,
It's like a tense, voiceless D sound.
바보.
Ba like in father, and bo like in more. Now let's practice again.
딸바보. 딸바보. 딸바보.
Here are some examples of how to use
딸바보.
in short sentences. The
딸바보.
father bought his daughter a new toy every week. As a
딸바보.
he always makes time to attend his daughter's school events. He's such a
딸바보.
he can't say no to his daughter's requests. Try making your own sentences with
딸바보.
and that's it for today's Korean lesson. We hope you enjoyed learning the term.
딸바보.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and exciting Korean language lessons.
감사합니다.
Thank you, and see you next time.